What if I told you your teacher's biggest assistant might now be an AI, or that students are submitting entire assignments written by a robot in seconds? This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. ChatGPT is quietly taking over classrooms, rewriting how we study, how we teach, and even how we think. But is it making us smarter, or just making things too easy? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to EduAIverse, where we decode the future of learning, one smart topic at a time. Today, we're diving into how ChatGPT is completely changing the way schools work. From helping students breeze through homework to making teachers' lives easier, AI is already reshaping education. Let's break it down. 1. What is ChatGPT? First things first, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. You type a question, and it gives you a detailed, human-like answer in seconds. Think of it like a super-smart digital tutor available 24/7. And guess what? Millions of students are already using it. 2. How students use it. Let's talk real-world examples. Need a math explanation? ChatGPT explains it like your smartest friend. Stuck writing an essay? Type in a few keywords and bam, essay draft ready. Want to learn a topic fast? Ask ChatGPT to summarize a whole chapter in bullet points. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the twist. 3. Teachers are using it. 2. Teachers are also jumping on board. Need to create a lesson plan? ChatGPT can generate it in seconds. Struggling with grading? It helps write personalized feedback. Teaching in different languages? It can translate content instantly. It's like having a virtual teaching assistant without the salary. 4. The good, the bad, the controversial. So what's the catch? The good. Speeds up research and studying. Encourages curiosity. Supports students with learning challenges. The bad. Some students use it to cheat. Over-reliance can kill critical thinking. Not always 100% accurate. The controversial, should AI be banned in schools, or should it be taught like any other tool, responsibly? Some schools block it, others embrace it. 5. A real classroom story. Here's a real story from a high school in New York. A teacher gave an open book quiz. Half the class used ChatGPT. Instead of punishing them, the teacher asked ChatGPT to explain the answers too. Result: students said they understood more than from the textbook. Crazy, right? It's all about how we use it. 6. So, what now? The future of education isn't about banning AI, it's about balancing it. Teach students how to think with AI, not through AI. Let ChatGPT be a smart partner, not a shortcut. Conclusion. So, is ChatGPT ruining schools or making them better? Maybe it's not about replacing teachers, but giving everyone a chance to learn smarter, faster, and deeper. If you found this eye-opening, give it a like, share it with a friend who uses ChatGPT, and comment below. Do you think AI should be allowed in schools? Don't forget to subscribe to EduAIverse for more mind-blowing content about the future of learning and technology. Catch you in the next one.